Hello everybody, welcome to session 2 of Ami Camp.
This quarter, we're working on Gus the Reader Raccoon. This pattern was originally published in issue 111 of Crochet Now magazine. We revised it, and it's now in US terms for you.
First, let me tell you something. We are live from the Mexico studio and I am so excited. Freddy flew from Houston to be here to work in this with me. Actually, she flew here for my birthday, but we also love you, so of course you were included in our plans. So we will start with the ingredients. Freddy, what do we need for this pattern?
Let's start with yarn. We designed Gus in Yarn and Colors Must Have. It's a sport weight 100% cotton yarn, and it's similar in weight to Shakameyer Catania and Sheep Cheese Katona. I know that's not how you say that. I don't know how to say it. So feel free if you have those on hand to use those. You can also mess around with different weights and colors, just bearing in mind that if you change the yarn weight you use, you're going to need to adjust your hook size as well. If you're interested in going off book with your colors, we 100% support you on that. You'll find a color worksheet in the crochet project planner that we're providing, and it'll tell you a little bit about color harmonies, and it's a good place to mess around and see what you like together. If you want to stay with the colors that we put in the pattern, we're going to have a link to where to get that exact yarn and the colors that we designed it in, so feel free to do that too.
Just like last time, we're providing a crochet planner to keep your stitches organized.
You're gonna need a hook.
Ta-da!
Shocker. We used a 2mm hook to make Gus. You could also use like a 2.25mm easily without causing problems. Again, if you are changing your yarn weight, then you will need to use the appropriate hook size. So mess around with it a little just so you don't get gaps.
And you will also need toy stuffing, tapestry needle, stitch markers, and 4 14mm safety eyes.
Just as a side note, those safety eyes aren't actually going to be used as eyes, and you don't need the anchors, just the eyes themselves. They're going to be fully encased, and they're going to stiffen the legs of your armchair.
Ooh, that's interesting. And that note, why don't we start with the armchair?
Armchair legs. All right, with color B, which I don't remember the name of, we're going to make a magic ring.
Beautiful nails, by the way.
Don't look too close.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, I laughed right in the mic again. Okay, here I am making a magic ring. And then we're going to make 6 single crochets into the ring. We'll tighten the ring. Working right back into the first single crochet we made, we'll make a single crochet and then single crochet in each stitch around. So this is round 2 that we just started. And then we'll do that for 2 more rounds. So this leg will be a total of 4 rounds. I'm using the scissors to get the right side out. So this is the beginning of round 3, and again we're just making a single crochet in each stitch around. at the end of the 4th round, we're going to do a slip stitch. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. There we go. And then we're going to break the yarn and we're going to do an invisible join. So put the yarn tail on a tapestry needle. Find the stitch that you made the slip stitch in. Skip the next stitch, then insert the needle under the following stitch and then back through the slip stitch. And then you can just pull it down kind of snug. And that makes like a fake stitch, basically. Then you set that aside and we're going to do the exact same thing 3 more times.
Unique New York. Unique New York. Unique New York. With-
Unique New York.
With that, you think they are gonna enjoy our voices?
Pica papas.
Pepe,
Peca,
Pepe Pecas,
pepe pecas.
pica papas.
Pica papas.
Con un pico,
Con un pico.
con un pico,
Con un pico.
Pepe Pecas,
Pepe pecas.
pica papas.
Pip, pip, pap.
Casi.